Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see representation of rational numbers on a number line. We'll consider one number, that is 1 by 2. This is a rational number, right? This is in the form of p by q. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll multiply numerator and denominator with 2. Okay. What is the resultant number? Resultant number is 2 by 4. What is this 2 by 4 called as? 2 by 4 is called as the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Okay. Similarly, if I multiply for this number, if I multiply 5 for the numerator and denominator, I'll get it as 10 by 20. Similarly, 100 by 200 if I multiply it with 10. Okay. These numbers 2 by 4, 10 by 20, 100 by 200, these all numbers are called as what? Equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. So when we say p by q doesn't have a unique representation in the form of p by q. See, this 1 by 2 doesn't have a unique representation in the form of p by q. 2 by 4 is also 1 by 2 in its simplest form. 10 by 20 is nothing but 1 by 2 in its simplest form. 100 by 200 also in its simplest form it will be equal to 1 by 2. So when we say about a rational number p by q, we assume that, what do we assume? We assume that the numerator and denominator will take p by q. Okay. After that I'll give you the example. Numerator and denominator are co-primes. P comma q are co-primes. We assume this way. Okay. What are co-primes now? Co-primes are nothing but two or more numbers are said to be co-primes if they don't have any common factor other than 1. For example, I'll tell you what is a factor here. 15, we can write 15 as a product of 5 and 3. Here 5, 3 are said to be factors of 15. Now you understood what are factors? These 5 and 3 are said to be factors of 15. I'll take two numbers 5 comma 3. If you compare these two numbers, what are the factors of 5? 5 comma 1. 3 can be written as 3 comma 1, 3 into 1. So the factors of 3 are 3 and 1. Do they have any other common factor other than 1? No, only 1 is their common factor. Therefore we say that 5 and 3 are co-primes. That is the definition of co-primes. Here also 1 and 2 are co-primes, right? Yes. So we'll take 1 by 2 and 1. We'll take 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 represents all these numbers. Okay, 2 by 4, 10 by 20, 100 by 200. These all numbers are represented by 1 by 2. We'll take the simplest form. Okay, now we'll take a number line. Okay, first we'll see what is this fraction. Is it a proper fraction or improper fraction? How will you differentiate proper fraction and improper fraction? You'll compare the numerator and denominator. If numerator is greater than denominator, we say it is a improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction. If numerator is less than denominator, like in this case, what do we say? It is a proper fraction. Okay. First I'll tell you about proper fraction, how to represent this number on a number line. For every proper fraction in which numerator is less than denominator, consider, see, let this be a number line. I am taking first 0, then 1, 2, 3. Here will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is a number line, right? For every proper fraction where numerator is less than denominator, for example 1 by 2, what we'll do is between 0 and 1 we'll make 2 equal divisions because the denominator here is 2. How to make 2 equal divisions? Put one line, then 1 division and 1 divisions. These are 2 equal divisions. Okay. 1 by 2 means this will be 1 by 2. Okay, because the numerator is 1, we'll take 1 division. I'll give you another example. We'll take 3 by 4. Here also see, what is it? Is it proper fraction or improper fraction? It is a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. 3 is less than 4. I'll take the number line. I'll take 0, 1, 2, 3. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. For 3 by 4, what do you do? For every proper fraction, consider only the region between 0 and 1. Okay. You remember this. For every proper fraction, consider only the region between 0 and 1. Now, see the denominator. What is it? 4. So, make 4 equal divisions. For making 4 equal divisions, how many lines you have to draw? You should draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. If you draw 3 lines, you will get 4 equal divisions. See, count here 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you got 4 equal divisions. So, 3 represents number of equal divisions. Okay, 3 divisions will take 1, 2. Out of 4 will take 3 divisions. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then this will be, this represents 3 by 4. Now, if it is a negative fraction, what will you do? I'll take minus 3 by 4. See, for 3 by 4, like these numbers, for proper fraction, I told you should always consider the portion between 0 and 1. But for negative fractions like this, for negative rational numbers, what will you do? As it is negative, just the opposite you do. You will consider which portion? Consider the portion between 0 and minus 1. Okay, as it is negative, if the number is negative, if the rational number is negative, consider the portion between 0 and minus 1. If the rational number is positive proper fraction, it is negative proper fraction. For positive proper fraction, consider the portion between 0 and 1. For negative proper fraction, consider the portion between 0 and 1. The same way, what will you do? Check the denominator. 4. The denominator is 4. So, make equal divisions between 0 and minus 1. For making 4 equal divisions, you have to put 3 lines. Okay. 3 lines you have to put like this. See the numerator, 3. So, it is 3 out of 4. So, select 3 divisions. Start from 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So, this will be what? Minus 3 by 4. Okay. That's it.